Hi everyone, I am Mary Copeland and I am your instructor for the course for the summer. A couple things I want to talk about and just introduce you to a few things about the class. So the first thing is that the summer class has a really crazy, intense workload. So this is a 4-unit class that's usually taken over 18 weeks. But this class goes for about 4 3/4 weeks. What that means is it's the same amount of work done in about 1/3 of the time. So that means that each week you are going to have about 2 or 3 discussions every week, 2 or 3 exercises from the textbook, and then an essay every week, and that's along with the reading and things like that. So it's a lot to handle. Typically, in a regular week, you would expect to spend 2 hours, 4 hours a week in class if you were on campus, and then 2 hours per unit outside of class doing your reading and working on your essays or whatever. So what that means is that's about 12 hours a week in a regular class. For summer, that is tripled. So that's almost like a full-time job for the class. So I just like to let people know so that they can, look at their schedules. If you've got a full-time job, a lot of people do it and can handle it. I just kind of want to give you a heads up that it's a lot of work, but absolutely you can do it. So that's the first thing. The second thing I want to tell you is show you the textbooks. So the first book is Asking the Right Questions. We will be doing 2 to 3 exercises out of this book every week. So you do have to get the book. Most students, I believe, get a digital copy of the book. And the other book, and we start using it right away because it is the summer. The other book is Just Mercy, which is a book about our criminal justice system. I hope you find it thoughtful and intriguing as I did. So you'll need to get both of those books. You can either get them from the bookstore, you can order them online, however you get your books. The ISBN numbers are on the syllabus, so that should help you get the correct books. And the cool thing about it is, even though it's a lot of work, kind of crammed together, the cool thing is you get a 4-unit class out of the way in a little less than 5 weeks. So that's a good thing. So there's also a tutorial to watch about how to navigate the class and the different things that I want to show you. So be sure and watch that as well. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you in class.